the stress?
That is natural. Please.
So what's the difference between the stress and the color blue one? The value one?
Now the shyness it comes especially from the chromodine. The chromodine is a kind of dye, which in this case, this is a good example. Because this is a chromodine. This is scratches. But as you can see, it's more smoother. This is because of the chemical dye. But 80% of the other stuff, it has the natural dye. It's like healthier and everything. Plus, you know, you see all the scratches on my stomach. Me personally, I love seeing it.
I love it too. I love it.
Because it just means that you actually have to let it rest. Because remember, it's this, it's like us, we did our marks. I love the mark. I love the scratch. So, it's gonna be see marks, you see the scratch on the back, and it's and especially it's unique. It's because all the parts of the scratch is unique.
Exactly. So not one of the thing you can see the whole time. Each back is different because not every single level is actually the same.
So, you know, it's like even in animals itself, like even if it's the same species, they're not the same cow. So it's going to be always different. Even if you have the same colors, same pregnant leather, the shoulder parts, 80 parts, it does make difference. It's going to be always different. But that's the beautiful thing. If it's all smooth, then that's just leather.
Leather.
And one more thing, obviously, because leather is not cheap.
Yes, not cheap at all.
If you see something that says it's leather, but the cost is pretty low, that's not leather. It's because it's not affordable to the person who sells it. That's really important because people tend to.
When you guys see my prices, you think it's high, I'm really giving it to you for a steal. So you see $5.49, $7.49, you see those numbers, guys, $11.99. Quality and it's also made in the
And that's true. It's an investment. Because you're not buying something cheaper, but because you're not buying something less for quality, that's correct. It's just going to get much more better. It's like us. If you tend to, moisturize and everything, it's going to be softer and everything. So that's the problem with that.
My hand is and it's the same fiber with each piece of it is different. So cutting, one might have more time, the other may not. And I'm going over time and I'm cutting it up based on techniques.
But that's the beauty of the leather. And it's all different. Like, it's not every single piece exactly the same as the other one. It has different shades, different features. So not features, even if it has the same whole leg, just being a different part of the leather, it's going to have different results as a looking at it.
So don't fret, guys, that you see the back look like this, or it might be a little bit right here, because just a bit of the light.
That's the way here, the heel, the thigh. That's all the green. Doesn't exist this one.
More down.
That's how you do the procedure. I don't know if that is. Okay, so this is the stitches, it will jump. So like this, it's thick. So once we do this, we see exactly how much we need to cut it. Again, let me first smoothing and we'll just pop off. So you have to do it the exactly right amount to be able to stitch it and be sure that it will never pop off. That's the thing. all handmade. It's something that's going to always be special, different.
Handmade. My bags are handmade only, and it is something special. It's something that is precise and something that has skill set to it. Something that we normally don't do a lot in America anymore. But I wanted to take the time to make sure that my bags are handmade. And as she's telling you here, when you're doing a bag that's handmade, there is something very special about it. It is different.
And especially like you can see the different work procedure. Like the thing
Craftsmanship of it, right?
exactly that's the thing. Because the machines and the guys exactly the same. You know, and then unfortunately as of today the famous brandings like Gucci, all of that, they didn't do the machines. Like what it makes special, maybe doing the handmade stuff. It's just that it's going to bring something always special, always to about it. And especially, you know, there's a person, so it's not like something that, you know, big. You know, so it's someone that gets, you know, what it needs to look good, to look
That's
nice, and everything. So it's always going to be something unique all the time.
I get it, guys. I get it. I get that it has to be unique, but that's not what it takes. But it also takes time.
Oh God, that takes that. Just you know, an example. This procedure here, that for all of you it looks small thing. It takes at least 2 hours just for this part because they have to recolor it and resmooth it, then put it inside the oven, and it's a procedure that goes on and on for at least 12 hours, and it's just so it means that even small things requires time.